Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've not actually got I've not got any like face makeup on because I've had a bit of a bad skin week. But I've kind of just done my eyebrows a little bit. I'm going to do Belle for this week. So I'll do Belle makeup this Tuesday. Then next Tuesday I will do Beast inspired makeup. It's kind of going to be like everyday kind of makeup. But yeah, I've had a look on Pinterest and that's the makeup look I'm going to go off. So yeah, this should be fun. Hoping that you can actually see the camera. See me doing the eye makeup. And there. So we're going to start off with using the Mont Blanc Fusion by Vivienne. And we're just going to use the shade Joy in the Box. Just for the base. Gosh, it's irritating. I'm just going to go in with the second darkest shade, Conched, because why not? I tried to do a cut crease the other day and it just didn't work out, so I'm going to practice that for you all. I can see that. Just going back in the crease with Conched. And then with the Diane Fall in Love, we're going to use this orange shade here. Because the Mont Blanc with this black Last Bite colour.
like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time.
I'm probably the worst person ever to use black.
Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting.
I need to practice more with it. Let's be honest. We're gonna go in with this like kind of yellowy gold colour. It's a single origin with it on your lid because it's great. Glitter glue. Comment down below what the best glitter glue is, because as much as I love using glitter, it's a pain in the ass to put on when you don't have glitter glue. Then we're just going to go back over with the orange and the black again. I'm gonna give me credit for it. I've actually done a pretty good job. Obviously I'm not going to do the eyeliner because I kind of ran out of eyeliner and forgot to stock up. But yeah, if I was going to use a lipstick to match that, it would be Matte Me Up lipstick. I think that's the closest colour I've got in my collection at the minute. It's my Belle eye look. Preferably before summer, I want to have a camera, so I'll be able to actually do close-ups. But yeah, that's the eye look for Belle. If I was to do a full face, I'd try and keep my foundation and everything else natural, because everyone loves all natural. So yeah, next week I'll do the Beast. I'll attempt to. So I'll alternate each week. So one week I'll do the hero and then the villain to go with that hero. I think that's a good idea, give it a thumbs up. I'm actually digging. I'm going to use this eye look more often. Pretty cute. So cute. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because once we hit the big 200, I want to kind of do a giveaway. Yeah. It'll kind of be a mixture of like bits and pieces, like makeup, sweets and treats, and then a surprise gift. I'm not sure what yet though.